Okay, no problem. So let's continue then. Nevertheless, when the fools saw the pious perform the above activities, they did not comprehend their intent and thought that the activities were good on their own right. They began to emulate the behavior of the pious, thinking that through this they would become like them, attaining inner refinement. With this intent, they began afflicting their bodies through the many different types of penance, thinking that they had reached peaks of divine service, and that this brings them close to God, as if God was enemy of the body and desired to destroy and crush it. That's the answer of all those people. So many people come to me and say, so should I continue fasting like Monday and Thursday? So why would you people trying to be holy and instead of learning Torah, they do all of the fast and they deprive of energy and they have no comprehension. They cannot concentrate. You understand? So and that's actually this piece. Same idea is in introduction of Ramchal Mislat Yesharim. He said that's why he said I want to bring back this idea of piety. That's how praiseworthy it is, because people like who are trying to emulate piety, like this ignoramus, they say, okay, if I'm going to fast, I'm going to roll in the snow. I'm going to be pious. It's not true. If these holy people did it as refinement of the conduct, it was only one activity that would lead them to achieving their mission in life. But people who did not know, they took it out of context as usual. Very dangerous. And other people who see this like ignoramuses doing all of these things, they say, who needs that? Okay, that's what pious person means. I don't want to be pious. I don't want to like jump in a lake, make a hole in the ice and jump in a lake. I'm good. Let these pious fools be pious, and I'm going to be myself. That's what happened. Okay, so one more time, and we're going to explain. Nevertheless, when the fools saw the pious perform the above activities, they did not comprehend their intent and thought that the activities were good in their own right. So basically, people see something and they pretend somehow that they understand what's going on without asking any questions. You understand? That's and they try to emulate these pious people. So commentary, they did not appreciate the extreme conduct that was merely a means to the end, right? It's not the end, like to live this life. It's only means to the end, meaning to achieve some goal in life, right? So once this pious person would fix these character traits, right? That's it. I mean, if he is good, he's good. He does not need to fast or roll in the snow. That's it. Okay. They consider it so proper on its own right. That's what the problem is. They began to emulate the behavior of the pious, thinking that through this they would become like them. Right? So just fast, roll in the snow, deprive yourself from food and wine, from meat and wine, and you're going to be holy. No, you're not going to be holy. You're going to be not smart, right? If you don't learn Torah, it's useless. With this intent, they began afflicting their bodies through the many different types of penance, thinking that they had reached peaks of divine source. And plus, forget about, that it was useless, but in their mind, they were big tzaddikim. That's even bigger tragedy. And this brings them close to God. That's what they thought, as if God were the enemy of the body and desires to destroy or crush it, right? To destroy, crush it, like HaShem is the enemy of the body. He's actually gave us the body to contain the soul, and now he wants us to torture the body. That's when person does not learn, he would come up with such ideas. Continue.